Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a manager on Drop or any team member that is managing your creators. So basically this feature is only available for the agency account. So you go on your team tab here. So here you can see I'm an admin here, so I can see my picture. So you add your email of the manager. So it has to be different as a creator. If he has already an account, you cannot add it. So you can choose if it's an admin or not. You can validate it. So you have to fill in the detail here, name, last name. Here you can choose if it's admin or not. And you can choose as well what kind of creator is managing. So you can go here, you can select just one or multiple, and you validate it. You can see here once it's validated, you can see here on the card that is managing one creators here, and you can as well change it if you want.